What's up, viewers? It's Trevor, aka Tensauce, here to show you how you can directly support me with an Amazon Prime Twitch subscription. Now, I'll be going through exactly how to do this. I've had some people asking, hey, how can I support you, man? It's cool that you're doing these streams. I have Amazon Prime. How do I do it? So let's get started. First, we'll need to go to Amazon. So first, you're going to open up your respectable browser. I use Google Chrome, and you'll type in Amazon. You'll see the Amazon homepage here. You're going to look over here to the right, and I'm already logged in. This is about where the login button shall be. And once you log in, you will go over here to Prime. Be this button over here, and this will show you all your features. Give that a click, and you'll scroll, and you see your Prime Video and all this good stuff, Kindle book, fun stuff. And anyway, you should see free games and loot with Prime, Twitch Prime. So we're going to click that, okay? So through here, you can see a bunch of Twitch related things, some gaming stuff, some things you may have seen before or heard of. If your parents have Prime and you're a teen, you can actually connect to your parents' account by clicking this button. So this is what you're looking for here. It's a Twitch Prime included free with your Amazon Prime. So connect your Twitch account. So this is what you would click. This is the screen that you would be getting. So you can claim your free loot with your Twitch Prime. That's free loot through your Twitch account, and we will show you that in a minute. You can browse some games. Whenever you're a Prime sub, you get some extra games and stuff. Every now and then they throw you some freebies in a game or a totally new game. But here's what you're looking at. Use your free channel subscription to directly support a streamer. You can subscribe every 30 days. So this does run out every month. So if you wanted to pick and choose who you supported, you have that. I jump around with mine every now and then, depending on who I'm watching. So let's go ahead and click that. Now this will bring us up to Twitch. This is what Twitch looks like if you're not familiar with it, and I am logged in on my account. I already have up here. So what you would probably need to do is create an account first. And then what you'll do, I like Hushinshin here, I watch him a lot, and my subscription is actually live, so I'm going to go over here to his channel, and you can follow the channel if you like, and I'm going to click subscribe, and now I have some subscribe options. There's your paid subscription, or there's your free channel sub with Twitch Prime, subscription free. I'm going to go ahead and use that on Hushinshin this month, and as you see, Tensauce subscribed. So I've directly supported the streamer, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it, and see you at future streams.